Hey, what's up everybody? Jacob here at Johnson RV in Fife. Today we have the 2022 Forest River Forester. It's on a Ford all-wheel drive chassis. And if you come on inside, I'll give you a tour. So this right here converts into a bed. You got your two sofas, these seats up top, swivel. And you have the fridge back here, two stovetop burner, got your bath. You have a pretty large wardrobe right here with some shelving. You come on back here, you got your large bed with a TV setup right here. And if you would like to know more, come on down to Johnson RV in Fife.